Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following limit. Find the limit of x plus 2 divided by x to the power 3 plus 8 as x is approaching to negative 2. Step 1. If you plug in x to be negative 2, you would discover, and I'll put this in quotation marks, this equals to negative 2 plus 2 divided by negative 2 in brackets to the power 3 plus 8. And of course, this would give you one of the 7 types of indeterminates. So what that really means is you have to move forward to either step 2 and or step 3. And I call step 2 factoring. I call step number 3 multiplying by the conjugate, or sometimes using the idea of difference of cubes, sum of cubes. It all depends on the question. So in this example, what I am going to show you is this. You do copy down the limit as x is approaching to negative 2. You do copy down x plus 2. If you look at the denominator, recognize x cubed plus 8 is one example of the sum of cubes. So when you factor x cubed plus 8, you can factor it as x plus 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4. So again, let me go back. I just realized that's not correct. It's x squared minus 2x plus 4. So again, I'm squaring the first term, squaring the last term, and take the product of the two terms. Now, the reason why you know you're doing it right is because you can cross out x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 in this case, and this signals to you you're one step away from getting full marks. And when you go back and you plug in x to be negative 2, this will give you 1 divided by negative 2 square minus 2 times negative 2 plus 2. And this is going to be 1 divided by 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 1 divided by 12. Now again, it is very easy to say, I'm good, I'm done, stop. What I'm going to say to you is spend 1 extra minute. Draw a graph. Double check your work. And it doesn't take that much time. As long as you're willing to spend that 1 extra minute, I think will add value in terms of your confidence and competence. So what I am going to do is use this different color. Let's draw a graph here. So if you draw the graph y equal to x plus 2 divided by x cubed plus 8, first recognizing that there's the horizontal asymptote at y equal to 0. Second, recognizing that there's going to be a cavity, there's going to be a hole. I'll label this, and it's going to be located specifically at negative 2 and 1 divided by 12. If you look at the y-intercept, it's going to be 1 divided by 4, which is going to be, roughly speaking, somewhere there. That's going to be 0, 1 divided by 4. There's another point somewhere here, and it's going to look something like that. On the other side, it's going to look, roughly speaking, something like that. And again, by looking at the left limit and the right limit, you would discover it's going to be approaching to exactly 1 divided by 12, which is the answer we found from the previous page. So again, activate that dual mindset. Solve it algebraically, confirm it graphically. I hope this makes sense.